and about 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. Hello, welcome to today's episode of Cooking with Crystal Wizard. Today we will be cooking Crystal Wizard's awesome, easy apple cinnamon oatmeal. So first we will talk about our ingredients, how much we need, and our tools that we will be using. Let's start off with our tools. Today we will be needing cutting board, a little pot, measuring cup, knife, shiny spoon, and a bowl. Also a little measuring spoon, 1/4 teaspoon. Okay, now let's talk about our ingredients. We're going to be using old-fashioned rolled oats, and you can use just water if you like, or any kind of milk that you like. We're going to be using almond milk today. We'll also be using some milled flax seeds. This is another optional ingredient, but we'll be using some dates. One apple. Raw honey to sweeten. A little bit of sea salt. And of course, cinnamon. Okay, next we will get into how much we need of each of our ingredients. Okay, let's go ahead and talk about how much we are going to need of each of our ingredients. Start off with our oats. We're going to be using 1 cup of our rolled oats. Our almond milk, we'll be using approximately 1.5 cups. And if you want runnier oatmeal, you can make it a little more, or thicker oatmeal, a little less. We're going to be using 1/4 of a teaspoon of our sea salt and of our ground cinnamon. 1 tablespoon of flax. We have 2 dates. We're going to remove this part here and the seed from the inside. Okay, I'm just going to cut those up into some smaller pieces. Okay, got our dates chopped up here. We'll take our apple, cut it in half. And half again. Half again. And the same on this side. Now on each slice, we'll remove the inner part with the seed and this little bit on the top. Now each of these we can cut in half. Add to our pile of dates. Alright, so now we're ready to get cooking. See you at the stove. Okay, now we got you down here at the stove. Got the owl here with us. We're going to go ahead and turn on our heat to medium. And we'll add our 1 cup of oats. And our 1.5 cups milk. Our 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon. Sprinkle that on top. About 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. A tablespoon of flax. And let's go ahead and stir this together. Okay, now that we've got it stirred, we can go ahead and grab the rest of our ingredients. Let's take our apples and our dates, push them in. Now we'll stir them together. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and let this simmer for 5 minutes, and we will see you then. Okay, we've been simmering here for about 5 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and remove our heat. Give our oatmeal a little stir. And add in our final ingredient, which is about a tablespoon or so. It's up to you. If you like a little sweeter, you can have a little more, or not so sweet, a little less, of our raw honey. That's about good there. So we'll stir it in, and then it'll be time to serve it up. All right, we're gonna go ahead and serve it up. Fantastic. See you next time.